Right, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to clean this bug, this date bug that we have got at the moment. Right, as you can see, I've stripped down the PlayStation completely. I've already done this fix as it is, so it will not pop up anymore for me, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix this error completely. As you can see, I've got the old model. Just take the power cables out so I can properly show you. Right. So place this on the floor. I'll show you how this is done. Now, this will void your warranty with PlayStation, but I only suggest that those who know what they are doing to do this, not people who don't understand how to do these kind of things. Right, as you can see, I've partially stripped down nearly everything. You need to remove absolutely everything off the board to get to where you need to get. So that you can get to it. That's that bit done. Just remove this. That's that all removed. Now let's remove my drive. Just be as careful as you can be. Oh, bloody ring clip. I spent half my time doing this. That's it. Right. Right. That's that bit done. Right. Basically, that's what you'll get. You don't really need to get it down to that much. Basically, what you need to get down to is get it out of the case. As you can see, I've got it on the sofa over there. You need to get it out of that case, that bottom case, mainly. But I just wanted to show you that bit, just for easy demonstration. Now, you see this green thing here? This is the battery. Remove this, like so. Alright, now put it all back together. This is a time consuming bit. Everything else is easy. Trying to hold the camera and show you guys what to do, is it quite hard? Right. I have not tried just taking the battery out and then putting it back in without turning it on. I've not tried that. Back in. Back on. Just be as careful. I'm just going to leave that out for now. Might not necessarily to connect them all back up. Right. With the battery not being in, the battery's not in. Oh. And it connects it back up. Fuck off. In 1 minute. That's it. Back on. Right. Let's turn on. It's just my disc. So I'm not put the casing on. Scratched up, make the disc up a bit. Great stuff. As you can see, you get a date thing come up now. Just continue it all, don't change nothing. Alright, connect my Ethernet cable into the back so I can get internet. I can get the bleeder in. Just wait for a minute. Let's give it a shot. Now we should have some action. Sign in. Just wait for a moment. There we go. No issues. Back on. Internet and everything. Small name. My friends. Offline with that. There you go. That's how to sort this bug out.